There are a variety of different smartwatch models available in the market that all come with a multitude of fitness, health, and smart features. With all the features available, how can you choose one smartwatch that actually delivers quality at a fair price that suits your needs? So in today's video, we're gonna take a look at top 5 smartwatches for men in 2021. The third product is something unique. If you want to find out what it is, check out an in-depth review of the best smartwatches for men in 2021. So make sure to stick around till the end. At number 5 in our list is Samsung Galaxy Watch 3. If you are looking for one of the best Android smartwatches in 2021, then Samsung Galaxy Watch 3 is the best option for you. It packs powerful tech with feature-rich stylish design with premier leather bands for daily wear. This smartwatch offers impressive customization, performance, and numerous useful apps. The smartwatch offers a 1.4-inch Super AMOLED 360 by 360 screen with Corning Gorilla Glass DX. Samsung Galaxy Watch 3 offers great battery timing, runs for about 2 days. The AMOLED display is extremely bright and easy to read even in broad daylight, including the always-on feature. Smartwatch offers a variety of features like fitness and health features, including FDA, automatic sleep, and stress monitoring. It even features motion gestures to take photos, silence alarms, and answering phone calls. At number 4 in our list is Fossil Gen 5. If you are looking for a stylish smartwatch that doesn't look like a common blocky fitness tracker for everyday wear, then Fossil Gen 5 is the best option for you. Fossil Gen 5 runs on a Wear OS, which is Google's wearable OS. So you not only get Google Assistant right on your wrist with integrated speaker and mic, but you can access Google Assistant hands-free and even have it speak back answers. You can take and make calls right from your smartwatch without even taking your smartphone out. Plus you can send a reply to your text messages. The smartwatch offers 1.28-inch AMOLED 416 by 416 Gorilla Glass display. This watch offers average battery timing, runs about 24 hours based on usage. The Wear OS does have some hiccups at times but gives you the Google integration like no other smartwatch, including all the apps from the Google Play Store. Smartwatch offers a great variety of applications plus fitness functions to track all of your workout. At number 3 in our list is Vivoactive Nimble 2. If you are looking for one of the cheapest smartwatches that even have some amazing features found on premium watches, like Bluetooth calling from your watch, then the Vivoactive Nimble 2 is the best option for you. You can sync your phone's all important contacts so they appear on your smartwatch. Plus you can also get all your phone's notifications so you would not miss anything important. The smartwatch offers a 1.28-inch IPS color touchscreen with a tilt to wake. This budget watch offers quite impressive battery timing up to 3+ days of working time. The Nimble 2 smartwatch also offers an integrated mic and speaker that lets you make and answer calls right on your smartwatch. The Nimble 2 health and fitness features are also quite impressive. With this feature, you will be able to monitor your heart rate, blood pressure, EGC, and blood oxygen. Furthermore, you can control your phone's music and your camera right from your smartwatch. At number 2 in our list is Fitbit Sense. If you are looking for the best Fitbit smartwatch to track your workout, health, and fitness, then the Fitbit Sense is the best option for you. It also has an integrated speaker and mic so you can take calls and use voice commands. And it offers support for both Alexa and Google's Assistant. The smartwatch offers a variety of features like an FDA-cleared ECG app in the USA that not only shows you your heart rate, but you can get notifications if your heart rate is very high or very low. The smartwatch offers 1.58-inch AMOLED 336 by 336 screen. The smartwatch offers quite impressive battery timing, runs about 6 days, but only up to 12 hours with continuous GPS. The Squircle AMOLED display looks good, but it's not as snappy as the Apple or Samsung watches. At number 1 in our list is Garmin Vivoactive 3. If you are looking for an affordable smartwatch that is very value driven, then the Vivoactive 3 from Garmin offers some useful features found on their most expensive models. Smartwatch comes with Garmin Pay and contactless payment, but keep in mind Garmin Pay is not as widely accepted as Apple or Google. It's not as comprehensive as some of the other Garmin models, but you will find Vivoactive 3 features that more suited for most people with everyday conveniences and health and fitness features at an affordable price. The smartwatch offers 1.2-inch 240 by 240 Corning Gorilla Glass display. This budget watch offers quite impressive battery timing, runs up to 7 days in smartwatch mode and 13 hours in GPS mode. It comes with onboard GPS so you can easily track your best jogging or biking routes. Plus, there are over 15 preloaded sport apps for swimming, running, and more. The best part is that the smartwatch is water resistant so it is safe for swimming and showering. Well, this was all for today. Hope you liked the video. Let us know about your opinion in the comment section below. Do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, hit the bell icon for more updates and notifications. Stay safe and we will be back soon with another video.